Welcome to the lesson number 12. Today the topic is town versus city. So like comparing, so like a smaller city and a big city, kind of, So like here, this is a town, okay? And this is a city. So you can see the difference, okay? The aim of the lesson is to learn sentences to compare a town and a city. And you can choose different towns or cities later. But for this lesson, we will just talk about in general, okay? Some sentences that anybody can use. All right, let's begin. First, we could say there are many differences, okay, because of this, okay, between a town and a city. Okay, there are many differences between a town and a city. So, okay, and there are many differences between a town and a city. Okay, first, a town is smaller than a city. See, so whenever you are smaller, then you use than as well. Okay, first, a town is smaller than a city. There are smaller houses, okay, because of this, and buildings in a town. So that's the difference, yeah? There are smaller houses and buildings in a town. Second, a town is less populated than a city. So less because of this, than, okay? Populated, like people. Less, not many people in a town. In a city, many people live, okay? But a town, not many people. There are more jobs, okay, because of in a city. Yeah, more jobs in a city. See, there's a difference, okay? Americans do pronounce this they would say city. So both pronunciations would be okay. You can say city, you can say city. Okay. Third, go up. A town has fewer schools. You remember now why because of universities, and again not strong, and hospitals than a city. Why then here? Because of fewer. A city has better facilities. What are facilities? Like roads, okay, buildings, houses, schools. So like better than a town, because a town is small, a city is very, very big. Okay. To conclude, again, conclusion, right? To sum up in a nutshell, finally, okay, same meaning. A town is smaller, less populated, and it has fewer facilities than a city. Okay. So again, fewer. To conclude, a town is smaller, less populated, and it has fewer facilities than a city. Yeah, so a city has more facilities. Let's see what we have got. Now, if the question is, what's the difference between a town and a city? You could say, there are many differences between a town and a city. Yeah. First, a town is smaller than a city. There are smaller houses and buildings in a city, sorry, in a town. Remember, very weak, right? In a town, yeah, combination. Second, a town is less populated than a city because, not strong, because there are more jobs in a city. So I've combined the two sentences using because, okay? And that's how you make your sentences better, all right? So you can add and or because. Third, a town has fewer schools Z, okay. Universities, go up again. And hospitals than a city. So because of fewer again, then a city has better facilities. So I told you, in a city you have more hospitals, better schools, bigger schools, malls, roads, better roads, okay, facilities. Z. Again. To conclude, a town is smaller, less populated, and it has fewer facilities than a city. Alright, let me read again so you can listen. What's the difference between a town and a city? There are many differences between a town and a city. First, a town is smaller than a city. There are smaller houses and buildings in a town. Second, a town is less populated than a city because there are more jobs in a city. Third, a town has fewer schools, universities, and hospitals than a city. A city has better facilities. To conclude, a town is smaller, less populated, and it has fewer facilities than a city. Alright, so again, keep practicing, and I'll be back with another lesson soon. Take care. Bye.